Unlike the omega-6 fatty acids in the previous video, linoleic acid and arachidonic acid, in this video, the omega-3 fatty acids in breast milk are described. They are so named because if one were to identify the positions of the double bonds and then start counting carbons from the far end or the omega end, in omega-3 fatty acids, the first double bond is formed beginning with the number 3 carbon. Alpha-linoleic acid has 18 carbons in the chain. It is polyunsaturated, given the 3 double bonds, and is an omega-3 fatty acid, given that the double bond near the omega end starts at the 3rd carbon. It is an essential fatty acid in the human diet. The human body needs it but cannot make it. It is a component of cell membranes and the precursor to other fatty acids, some of which can be used as local hormones. It can be obtained in the diet and is common in seeds and vegetable oil. And breast milk is the source of this essential fatty acid for infants. The fatty acid docosahexaenoic acid, or DHA, is 22 carbons in length. It is a polyunsaturated fatty acid, given its 6 double bonds, and it is an omega-3 fatty acid. It is an important component of the phospholipids of cell membranes, and it is the major omega-3 fatty acid in the cell membranes of cells in the brain, of the cell membrane of the axon or the axolemma, where it may represent 50% of the weight of the axolemma. Overall, it can represent 40% of the polyunsaturated fatty acids, or PUFAs, in the brain, and 60% of those in the retina, where it can interact with cell membrane transporters, channels, rhodopsin in the eye, and it can be synthesized from alpha-linoleic acid, an essential fatty acid, or it could be absorbed directly from seafood in the diet. DHA is present in breast milk, and this is vital for the development of the infant brain. The fatty acid eicosapentaenoic acid, or EPA, has 20 carbons in its chain and is polyunsaturated given its 5 double bonds. It is an omega-3 fatty acid given the position of the 3rd double bond, which begins 3 carbons from the omega end. From this fatty acid, the body can synthesize DHA, which is vital for brain development, and several eicosanoid local hormones. EPA is present in breast milk and is important for infants.